How to restore your Snapchat streak for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Snapchat application. After that, simply head toward your Snapchat profile. Click on the profile icon at the top left corner. From there, go to Setting. Scroll all the way down and click on I lost my Snap streak. Choose the option of Restore. After that, here in this article, scroll all the way down and click on Contact Us. Now you are simply asked to log in. So provide your account details, your email or mobile number, then click on Next. Now in this phrase, provide your password and click on Next again. Now after you have successfully logged in and verified your identification, in this page you simply need to provide the detail of your problem. So in this form, provide the detail of your problem that you have lost your Snap streak. Then after, simply click on Next, provide resources and question for support specialist. Now once you have filled out this form, it will be submitted to the support agent of Snapchat and they will get in contact with you soon. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.